In today's digital world, your online presence is your calling card. It's the first impression you make on potential employers, clients, and collaborators. A strong digital portfolio is no longer optional. It's essential for showcasing your skills and standing out from the competition. Gone are the days of bulky physical portfolios. The digital realm offers a dynamic and accessible platform to present your work. This shift empowers you to curate a compelling narrative of your professional journey. Remember, your digital portfolio is more than just a collection of projects. It's a reflection of your unique talents and aspirations. It's an opportunity to demonstrate your value proposition and leave a lasting impression.
Research shows that employers increasingly rely on online platforms to source candidates. A recent study by LinkedIn revealed that over 87% of recruiters use professional networking sites to find talent. This emphasizes the crucial role of a strong online presence in today's job market. Your digital portfolio serves as a visual resume, instantly communicating your skills and experience. It allows you to go beyond the limitations of traditional resumes by presenting tangible evidence of your abilities. Think of your portfolio as a website that never sleeps, working tirelessly to promote your brand 24/7. It's an asset that can open doors to new opportunities even when you're not actively searching.
To create a comprehensive digital presence, envision your portfolio as a pyramid with 3 distinct layers. Core Portfolio Hub. This is your central online home, ideally a personal website. It provides a comprehensive overview of your skills, experience, and aspirations. Specialized platforms. These are industry-specific platforms where you can showcase your work to a targeted audience. Examples include GitHub for developers, Behance for designers, and LinkedIn for professionals across various industries. Social proof channels. These include platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and industry-specific forums where you can engage in discussions, share your insights, and build your professional network. By establishing a presence across these 3 layers, you create a robust and interconnected network that reinforces your professional brand.
Each layer of the portfolio pyramid serves a specific purpose. Core Portfolio Hub, your website. This is where you control the narrative. Showcase your best work, provide detailed case studies, and offer clear calls to action. Make it easy for visitors to contact you and learn more about your services. Specialized platforms. Choose platforms relevant to your industry. For example, photographers might use platforms like 500px or Flickr, while writers could leverage Medium or Contently. Social proof channels. Engage in discussions, share your insights, and participate in industry events. This demonstrates your expertise and helps you build a network of like-minded professionals. Remember, consistency is key. Ensure your branding and messaging align across all platforms to create a cohesive and memorable online presence.
Case studies, real-world portfolio success. Let's look at some examples of individuals who have successfully leveraged their digital portfolios. The freelance designer, a freelance graphic designer, created a visually stunning website showcasing their best work. They included detailed case studies explaining their design process and the impact of their work. This helped them attract high-paying clients. The aspiring developer. A recent computer science graduate built a portfolio website featuring personal coding projects. They also actively contributed to open-source projects on GitHub. This demonstrated their passion for coding and their ability to collaborate effectively. The marketing professional. A marketing manager used LinkedIn to share their insights on industry trends and best practices. They also highlighted their achievements in previous roles, showcasing their ability to deliver results. These examples illustrate how a well-crafted digital portfolio can open doors to exciting opportunities.
Crafting content that captivates. Show, don't just tell. When creating your portfolio content, remember to showcase your best work. Only include projects that you're proud of and that align with your career goals. Provide context and tell a story. Don't just present the final product. Explain the thought process behind your work, the challenges you faced, and the solutions you developed. Use high-quality images and videos. Visuals are crucial for capturing attention and making your work stand out. Include testimonials and case studies. Let others vouch for your skills and experience by including testimonials from satisfied clients or detailed case studies demonstrating your impact. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your professionalism. Ensure your content is well written, error-free, and visually appealing.
The AI advantage optimizing for human and machine review. In today's digital landscape, it's important to optimize your portfolio for both human and machine audiences. For human reviewers, craft compelling narratives, showcase your personality, and highlight your unique skills and experiences. For AI-powered systems, use relevant keywords throughout your portfolio to improve your search engine ranking. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Consider adding structured data markup to help search engines understand your content. By optimizing for both audiences, you increase your chances of being discovered by potential employers or clients.
Broadcasting your brand's strategic portfolio distribution. Creating a stellar portfolio is only half the battle. You need to ensure it reaches the right audience. Here are some strategies to maximize your portfolio's visibility. Share your portfolio link on all your professional networking profiles. Include your portfolio link in your email signature and resume. Promote your portfolio on social media platforms relevant to your industry. Network with other professionals and share your work with them. Consider submitting your portfolio to online directories and awards. The more visible your portfolio is, the greater your chances of attracting new opportunities.
The portfolio evolution. Continuous improvement for lasting success. Your digital portfolio is a dynamic entity that should evolve alongside your career. Regularly update it with new projects, skills, and experiences. Seek feedback from trusted mentors, peers, or career advisors. Their insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your portfolio accordingly. What's considered cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. Track your portfolio's performance using analytics tools. This data can provide valuable insights into what's working well and what needs improvement. By embracing continuous improvement, you ensure your portfolio remains a powerful tool for career growth and success.